We didn't plan to find it. We were just walking through a forgotten place. A place nobody visits anymore. And then it was there, buried under years of dust. Rust eating through the body. Paint peeling like old skin. A Dodge Charger R/T. 1968. Left behind. Abandoned. Every panel scarred. Every bolt frozen in time. You could smell the age. The oil. The metal. Most people would walk past it. Say it's done. Too far gone. But we saw something else. We saw what it used to be, and what it could be again. This is not a quick rebuild. This is not a makeover. This is a resurrection. No music. No talking. Just metal. Hands. And time. This is the full restoration of an abandoned Dodge Charger R.
Inside, it was worse than it looked. Even the floor was hiding decay. If this was the inside, the engine couldn't be any better. No one ever sees this part. What's been sitting here for decades? This is the heart of it, the part everyone gives up on. Years of heat. Years of neglect. If this comes out, there's no turning back.
Before we go any further, take a look at it now. Can you guess what color we're going to give it? Leave your guess below. And yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.
It doesn't look better now. It looks worse. But this is the moment where the truth is finally visible.
We've pulled the piston clear of the block. Note the heavy carbon deposits and the scoring on the crankshaft journals.
It carried this color for decades. But this car deserves more now. Something deeper. Something stronger. A color that finally matches what it's become.